Who am I? I'm curious. I want to know pretty much everything about the world, why things happen, and why we all exist. Pretty much starts with our oceans. 90% of global oceans still need discovered and mapped. To me, that's fascinating. It's crazy. I want to be part of that 90%. There's just so much unknown, and my brain can't wrap that up. I just want to know. My top 3 character strengths are curiosity, spirituality, and perspective. Curiosity and perspective are both a form of wisdom. Spirituality is a form of transcendence. I chose these 3 because they are all true about me. I am curious. I want to learn and understand things. Spirituality is huge for me. I believe in God and I certainly need His guidance. I've always looked at the world differently than most people, also known as perspective. A positive correlation with curiosity is the fact that the more I'm curious, the more I'm going to learn. Another correlation, but with spirituality instead, would be the more I practice my faith, the stronger my soul will be. And for the last strength, my correlation with perspective would be the more positive I look at the world, the happier I'm going to be. I wasn't surprised when I took that test over my strengths. I pretty much know myself, and I was not surprised at all. I frequently use spirituality for praying and worship, and I think that I need to work on my perspective. Usually, I can be kind of negative on how I look at the world, but I want to change that and I want to start looking at the world in a more positive way because I think that will be beneficial for me and my future career as a marine biologist. Thank you for listening to my presentation.